Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable newsletters on TikTok. So let's get started. Firstly, open TikTok app in a device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next, tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Next, tap on notifications. Then scroll until you find email notifications. Then tap on it. Make sure that you have enabled email notifications. After that, you can see the option of newsletters. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can enable newsletters on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.